What is going on YouTube? Welcome to TJ Mitchell Films, your one-stop shop for everything Jeep and off-road related content. And today, as you guys can see, we're not working on a Jeep. We are working on the 88 Suzuki Samurai tin top. First up is the control box. We have to move it because with the license plate mount, it can't flip up, it hits. So we are going to use some 1/4 inch flat bar and essentially use the same mounts, come up, bend it over, and come back up to move this control box out of the way. Secondly, the winch is not centered in here because on this worn winch, it has this little circular part that sticks out. And to get it to line up with these center holes, it would hit here. So we're gonna come and grind this out right here so this can fit. And we're gonna clean up the terminals inside this control box. We have some corrosion in there, as well as replacing the ground cable in here. The ground cable is not going all the way to the battery, it's going to the frame, and it's not getting a good connection. And as you guys can see, we're not in the shop. We're working in the driveway. We're working on a budget, sort of a different approach to this video. For the ground cable, we are reusing some jumper cable wire there. So we're doing the budget approach in the driveway, no fancy tools. We're just gonna get it done, get this winch fully functional so that way we can use it. And then maybe after, take the Samurai out and go have a little bit of fun. All right, so to draw a template, we're gonna hold this piece of tubing up here about center with that, that piece on the winch, and we're gonna just draw a little mark right here. All right, so change of plans. All we have to do is raise this bracket. The bottom mounting hole will now become the top, and we'll drill a new hole right here. That will get the control box up and out of the way. So now that we got the control box up and out of the way, we're gonna go ahead, and this was the problem here, as you can see, contact points all rusted. So we're gonna take all these off and clean each one. All right, so we got all the contact points and everything cleaned up the best we could. And we'll go ahead and put this cover back on, replace that ground wire, and then get the license plate mounted back up. All right, so we got our jumper cable cut off on our one end for our new ground. We're just gonna crimp this in the vise, slide the shrink tube over, and we got ourselves a new ground cable. have it. We centered the winch, we put on a new ground cable, we cleaned up all the electric terminals inside the control box, and we were able to finish putting on the license plate mount, and now this winch is working pretty good, better than when I had it. So that is the update on the tin top. I do plan on doing more with this soon. I kind of want to finish out this front bumper. Still up in the air, but I kind of want to add some tube out here and then maybe come up and over. I don't know yet. Something to connect to this this winch plate. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video and you're not already subscribed, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. And to all my fellow Samurai people, yeah, I'm still out here working on the Samurai. I know it's been a while, but I finally got one. Hopefully we'll be doing more with the tin top soon. See you guys in the next one.